So just commissioning a Corvette. What I'm finding on a lot of, especially the 4 kilowatts, is you get a Wilo pump on some and a Shimsy on the other. If you do have a Shimsy, sometimes they need reprogramming, but they should be all right now, but the older batches weren't. But what I'm finding is a lot of these pumps, where they're sitting in the factory, see, getting a bit stuck. So you have to take them out, give them a spin on initial startup, otherwise you get a water flow error. So I'll clean that up, get it back in, and then the water flow error will go. But yeah, that's happening in nearly every initial commissioning. You'll get a red light on the front of that pump there, and then all it is that spindle stuck. So just get the black propeller, spin it around with your fingers, spray it with a bit of WD-40 if you want, and off you go.